Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I'll show you how to fix your clownfish if it's still not working. I've already made a lot of tutorials on it, but still people's requesting that it's not working. Please guide us with the other methods. Now here I'm gonna show you some further steps to fix this issue. First of all, you need to go here, just right click on your clownfish and make sure it's up to date. After that, just go into the setup and then click on the system integration. Once you click there, now make sure to select the system integrations mode is on automatic, and then it will install automatically your drivers. Now I'm using this Microsoft Realtek high definition audio. In your case, if you are using any other, then make sure to install that. Now the second method is, if still it's not working, then just leave this clownfish and just close from here. Once you close it from here, you need to go into the device manager. Just right click on the Windows icon and then find here the device manager. Once you go over there, you need to click here on the audio drivers, sound, video and game controllers expanded. Now here you can see I have two audio drivers. The one is high definition audio device, the second one is Realtek high definition audio. So make sure you need to install the Realtek instead of the high definition audio. If you have high definition audio, then you need to reinstall or download the Realtek high definition audio. If you don't know, link is given below in the description. Just go ahead, download the Realtek definition. Simply you need to type here the Realtek audio drivers and hit enter. You will get the website on the top. Just go open it, realtek.com. Once you open this, it will ask you for the drivers for your operating system. Now make sure download the exact driver for your PC. Now I'll show you. As you can see here, this is 32-bit, this is the 64-bit, but make sure your Windows should be counted here, like Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. So you can also download for 64 from here, and for 32 just click on the 32. On the other hand, if you need both files for 32 and 64-bit for these Windows operating system, then you can download from here. For XP and other Windows, you can just click here. For other Windows operating system, you can go over here, or ATI ATMI. If you are using the ATI ATMI audio device, then you can download from here. Now 3D Soundbag Beta 0.1 is also available here with a lot of effects and some other settings, and it's especially for the surrounding headphones or speakers. You can download it from here if you want. Anyways, now I'm using 64-bit Windows 10, so I'm going with this. Simply you need to click here. Once you click here, it will ask you to accept. I accept to the above, so read it carefully if you want. Otherwise it's safe. Just check this option and click on the download this file. Once you click here, it will redirect you on the download page, and that's the final step. Actually, you need to only fill this captcha in these seconds. Now simply you need to type your captcha here, KUPLZR, and then click on go. If you type the right, then it will say that start downloading, please close the windows when file downloading is complete. So that's it guys, simply click here and don't close this. It will if you close the background, it will drop your downloading speed. So this is the best way guys you can fix your clownfish. I hope these methods gonna work for you. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.